Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. HappyCattyCrypto here, and we're just jumping straight into this one. So we have got a update from TFL on Station and its legacy infrastructure, because a lot of people are simply saying we're independent. We're not. We have legacy infrastructure which is provided to us for free by TFL, and they do maintain it, they do update it, and they do actually seem to be doing a lot more for us recently, and a lot more of a faster pace, so to speak. So let's just jump straight into this. They've made significant changes to ensure the safety and security of their users. Please read the following thread for important information and links. So, important preliminary note, please refrain from using Station desktop and mobile apps until we confirm their safety. An announcement will be posted as soon as they have been updated. So the Chrome extension, it has been updated to counteract those phishing attempts, and it is safe to use. Okay, so if you want to use the extension, go ahead, go and use it. It's all working again. Now, make sure you use these links, by the way. I'll leave a link to this in the description so you've got all of the official links. You can see the pull request, so you can go in, you can check the legitimacy yourself, which is what I've gone and done with this and the new Station web-based browser Station. So, like I was saying, you've got a fix, and it's further than just the extension. Mobile and desktop app, it's going to take a little bit longer, but we've got this, and this is really good. Now, what I said to everybody was make sure you've secured your monomics, you've secured your wallets, you've got backups, and you can access everything in the event that this happens, right? This was what I was warning about, that if you didn't have your monomics and there's a new system, right, you can't access that wallet again. So therefore, not being able to retrieve assets. So hopefully no one's walking this path and everybody's tickety-boo, so to speak. But like I said, this is the new app for you to do everything you need to do inside the web browser. And it's just Station.Money. So it's even better now. It's just Station.Money. Obviously, you're going to need to change your network like I did from mainnet back to classic, or if you're working on the mainnet, maybe you want to stay on the mainnet, who knows? But this is really good, right? Because now we can start thinking about other things, right? Infrastructure's back online. Everything can start to go a little bit better. It's good news. It's good to see that our free infrastructure is working again, and everything's working, and it can be utilized. Now, this was put out there on the 22nd, which was yesterday. It was a really busy day yesterday, and there was a lot going on, and I just didn't have time, especially with my in real work life and everything like that. But this is really good. Now, you've got Station, which is the official Twitter account for Station, and then we've got TFL. And what I'm going to do is leave links to all of this in the description to let everybody know where this information came from. You can verify it yourself. You can go and verify these builds yourself to make sure things are safe, and you can access things again. But the app and the desktop version of things, so that's the downloadable version you can get on desktop, do not use those two. Only the web-based browser and the extension are usable. Links to everything in the description, folks. More videos coming later today. Stay safe, stay humble, stay aware, and like always, I'll catch you in the next one.